Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Spatial Audio Personalization tool on your device. Choose the headset or built-in speakers you will personalize and position the device at ear height. Make sure sensors, camera, and location are enabled so the app can measure head-related cues. Once done, follow the on-screen prompt to keep still for a quick baseline capture. This initial capture sets the reference for later measurements, and it reduces errors in timbre and directionality during the detailed steps. You now perform the core measurements that create your personalized filter. Turn your head slowly as the app cues you, pausing on each pose so the system captures interaural timing and level differences. Next, take or confirm ear photos. Align ear landmarks with the overlay to capture pinna shape, which affects elevation cues. Then record the provided audio sweep or impulse responses. These samples let the algorithm derive your head-related transfer function, so spatial images map correctly to your perception. You finish by validating the personalized profile with a verification sequence. Listen to a virtual sound source as it moves around you. Confirm left-right placement and elevation feel natural. If something is off, adjust the spatial strength or elevation bias sliders, then rerun a short recalibration to refine results. Make sure to save the profile and enable it in system audio settings. If problems persist, check mic and camera permissions, reduce ambient noise, and repeat only the problematic captures for faster correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.